Welcome to Walletopia. Thanks for being here as always. Now, we also do reviews of passport wallets. Well, okay, we've done one in the past, and we're going to do a second today. This is the Carl Friedrich Weston Passport Wallet. So let's get into it. I've always appreciated Carl Friedrich's packaging choices. The color of the box resonates with me, as well as it being muted but clean presentation, which accentuates the wallet from within. So we open this up, and there we go. This is a cognac color, and it comes in 3 different colors, and this is the cognac. I really like this one. Let's see here. Let's take a look at a few things. Sewing, of course, is what we always like to take a look at initially. Looks good. Reinforcement where we need it. It's a nice strong interior fabric. Leather feels good. This isn't as stiff as other Carl Friedrich wallets. It's a lot softer, not only to the touch, but its pliability is much better too. So let's get into this. Now into the feature review of the Weston Passport Wallet from Carl Friedrich. There are no features on the exterior of this wallet. I wish there was. I always appreciate some kind of a quick access, even with a passport wallet. On the interior, here on the left-hand side is where your passport goes. It locks underneath here, and we'll show you how that works. And over here on the right-hand side, we have 1, 2, 3 card slots. And these card slots do stack, which is nice, so they're offset on the way down, so you can gain access to your cards. It looks like, maybe we could have done something more with 1 or 2 more. Not quite sure, but it's a nice clean look. And with that, we have a review of the features of the Weston Passport Wallet from Carl Friedrich. Now to the card, cash, and definitely passport insertion test. So that was easy. Passport, 3 cards. We look. Here we can see that, of course, I do like this feature where you can tuck the front up under these 2 corner edges. I do like that, of course. And then what's nice is that this is a wrap over. So it wraps over here and a single piece of leather from the back that wraps all the way to the front, and the 3 cards that are here. Of course, you can tuck cash underneath here. That's why we didn't test it, because all the cash will fit, and you just tuck it under here, as well as boarding pass or anything else you have, and that's how it will fit nicely. So there's really no minimal or maximum carry. I mean, there's 3 cards. You can stuff whatever you want in the big pocket that's up here. Now, of course, the company recommends up to 3 cards. That's what the slots are that are available. It makes sense. This is designed in London, and it's made in Italy. It's full-grain veg-tanned vachetta leather by the Artiolo di Cuoio, which means craftsman of leather, in Tuscany, Italy. It's a small, multi-generational family leather business. It's really nice. Cordura, which is this material on the inside. So if we get the passport out here, it's this gray material right here, the liner. This is Cordura, very durable Cordura. So it is nice and strong. And this is something you see in a lot of other products. Been around for a lot of years, and it has a nice color. I love the color. Texture's great, and of course you're going to get the durability out of it. Now the thread on here is a single filament thread. It provides a lot of strength and durability. It will definitely work well for this wallet, and all the Carl Friedrich wallets use this special single filament thread. It also helps support the edges so that they don't come undone. And you can also see some interesting crease work that's done here, and of course these are just details, and all of the Carl Friedrich wallets do have this element, this design element of a crease that's in there, and even in the small place where they did it here, it just adds detail to something that you could overlook. Now it's priced at $135, but it's really good from a quality perspective. Now please note that the case does not fit passports where passport cover, the cover is wider than the internal pages. I'm not aware of what countries have this unique configuration, but apparently there are some that are out there. Now, something of interest, passport specifications are determined by the International Civil Aviation Organization, or the ICAO, which is an agency of the United Nations, and it works with UN members for standardization to create practices in the industry that really are not just aircraft specific, but it's also standards for machine readable travel documents, which would include, well, not this, but your passport. So while each country has a little bit of flexibility on creating their own passport, there are specifications on size and those kinds of things that everybody follows. Now it measures 5.3 by 3.8 by 0.3 and it weighs 57 grams. Now I've always been impressed with Carl Friedrich's materials and construction. Really, really good. The company I've had some mixed experience with from folks who have bought from them, but it's not bad. Now Carl Friedrich is a Swedish company formed by two brothers who, like most companies like this that do wallets, found that their needs and quality of products they wanted couldn't be found in the market. So they went into the business themselves, which is very common. That's why a lot of people start businesses, which is great. Now they produce wonderfully made, high quality products that are incredibly functional compared to other boutique leather brands. They offer a lifetime warranty covering repairs or replacements for functional damage on the products. And really that's a great sign that they have a manufacturing commitment to what they make as well as to their customers. And I wish the passport holder, with all passport holders, would include some form of a pen, because let's think about it. As writing is declining in favor of digital capture, pen carry is also in decline. And when you need to have a pen, especially on a plane, on your approach to a foreign country, and they throw this little sheet at you and say, fill it out, you kind of need to dig up a pen somehow. So you're either going to borrow it from your neighbor sitting next to you or in front of you, or you carry one. And having one available in your passport cover, I think, is a great idea. Now on to the final score. For quality of 5, price of 2, features of 3, usability of 3, and perception of 5. That gives us a final score of 37 out of 50. Thanks for being with us. Look at these other videos, find something interesting, and let us know. Send me an email, put it in the comments. Always interested to see what you're coming up with. And we'll see you in the next review. Bye.